Namaste to all. Students, today we will discuss lesson number 11, Direction. So first I will explain this lesson briefly and then I will ask some question related to this lesson to you. Okay?
Okay,
All right,
ma'am.
So, we all know about directions with the help of compass. It has 4 basic points which are at the top and the bottom and on the right and left side of the compass. They are called the cardinal directions. These 4 cardinal directions are north, east, south and west. They are used anywhere on the earth where there is a view of the skies. So, the hand of compass always points to the north, and from that point one can locate the other directions. We all know the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Thus, west direction is opposite to east. Similarly, north direction is opposite to south. Directions tells us how to reach a place without getting lost on the way. So, it is very important for all of us to have the knowledge of directions. Understand? Now, I will ask some related questions from this lesson to you.
Okay, ma'am.
So, my first question is, why is it important to know directions?
It is important to know directions because directions tell us how to reach a place without getting lost on the way. Directions also tell us the exact location of different buildings and objects.
Good. My next question is, what is compass? How does it help us? A compass is an instrument that shows directions. Now it is easy for everyone to know directions with the help of a compass. So now tell me, what can happen if you do not understand directions? Ma'am, if we do not understand directions, then we will get lost on the way. Well done, very good. So my next question, what guided the sailors at sea in olden times during traveling? Ma'am, in olden times, the sailors at sea followed the movement of the sun during the day and the movement of the stars at night for directions. The rising sun on the left-hand side of the ship meant the ship was sailing south, and the North Star stayed at a 5 position all night, allowing sailor to follow it. Very good. So, tell me, what do you understand by cardinal directions?
There are 4 basic points in a compass. These 4 points are at the top and the bottom and on the right and left side of a compass. They are called cardinal directions. They are north, south, west and east.
Good. Now, tell me, which reference makes it easy to locate directions? Ma'am, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This reference makes it easy to locate directions. Now, tell me about 3 sentences on compass. A compass is an instrument used for finding direction with a needle that always points to the north. Second, there are 4 basic points at the top and the bottom and on the right and left side of a compass. They are called the cardinal directions or points of the compass. Third, today compass our destination without getting lost on the way? Direction, ma'am. Good. Now, in which direction does the sun set in the evening?
The sun sets in the west direction in the evening.
Good. Now, the old Chinese invention that helps us to locate direction is a. Ma'am, the old Chinese invention that helps us to locate directions is a compass. Very good. So, next question. If you are going from Gujarat to Assam, then in which direction are you traveling? Ma'am, we are traveling from west to east direction. So, please tell me, so your school has an artwork exhibition and you are on duty at the reception to guide the parent. So, what will be your two main responsibilities?
Ma'am, my two main responsibilities are first to tell the parents where the artwork exhibition is held, and second to tell them in which direction they should go.
Very good. So, tell me, which two qualities will help you to perform your duties properly?
Ma'am, the two qualities which help me to perform my duties properly are first, my knowledge of the direction of the exhibition location, and second, patience, which will help me to perform my duties properly.
Very good, students. Now, my last question for you. So, tell me the four cardinal directions and one state of India in each directions. Okay? Ma'am, first, the four cardinal directions are north, south, east and west. Now, one state in north direction is Himachal Pradesh and the state in the south direction is Kerala. In west, the state is Gujarat and the east, the state is Assam. So students, I hope you all understand directions well. So at last, I want to ask one last question. Why do we need to understand directions?
Ma'am, we need to understand directions for the following reasons. First, directions tell us how to reach a place or destination without getting lost on the way. Second, it also tells us the exact location of different building objects etc. And the last, we do not know the direction of a certain place, we can walk in the wrong direction and after some times we will be totally confused.
So students, thank you all of you. In our next class, I will explain lesson number 12, conquering distances. So that's all for today. Thank you.